What up, guys? So, a quick tip. A lot of people ask, what can you do when you have uneven abs? Because you have some bodybuilders, some fitness models, they have perfect abs. Like, really perfect. Those lines, those cuts are clearly defined, and they have like completely perfect abs. A lot of people ask, how can you get to that? Let's say you've dieted down and you're not satisfied with your abs. Maybe they're not even, maybe they look a little bit crooked. So, what can you do about that? And, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not gonna bullshit you, I'm not gonna feed you some shitty products or whatever. I'm gonna tell you the truth because I wanna be honest with you guys. The sad truth is, there's very little you can do about your uneven abs. There's very little because the way your abs are shaped is based on your genetics. So it's basically predetermined how your abs are going to be shaped. Of course, you can train them, you can make them more defined, you can make your cuts deeper, you can build the ab thickness, so your abs are going to be bigger and stronger. You can do all of that. But the basic shape of your abs is something you just can't do anything about. Look at Arnold Schwarzenegger. He never had a perfect six pack, he had a four pack. That's because of his genetics, and he was lean, he was 6% body fat. It's just what it is, and you can't do anything about that. Look at The Rock. He never has completely perfect abs. Some people have perfect six packs, some people have perfect four packs, some people have an eight pack. It's just based on genetics. And if you don't have perfect abs, then it's just your genetics and you can't do anything about that. But you shouldn't fucking worry about it. You shouldn't fucking cry about it and be fucking depressed about it. It's your fucking body. Be proud of it. Build those fucking abs and be proud of your fucking abs, man. Make it work. Make your body work for you. No matter how uneven your abs are, you fucking worked for that. It's a fucking achievement not many people can say about themselves. So yeah, stop fucking complaining and be fucking proud. Work with what you have. Make the best out of what you have and what you achieved. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Definitely like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Peace out.